kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make Jamaican curry chicken, my style. I have a whole chicken. It's about a medium size, not a very big chicken, and we're going to be cutting it up very small. You can cut it however you choose to, it doesn't matter, but I prefer it to be big, small. And what I'm going to do is I have some vinegar that I'm going to use to clean my chicken. It helps to take away the rawness. So you can use vinegar or lime to clean your chicken. That's what I have, okay? So I'm going to clean this and then I'm going to show you the rest of the ingredients that I have. So now that we have our chicken all cleaned up, I have some ingredients that I'm going to go over with you. I have green pepper. Also, I have red pepper and yellow pepper that I'm going to be adding to that. And I have onion. I'm going to be using half of each. Let me see. A half an onion and a quarter of each pepper. 3 cloves of garlic. We call this hot pepper. And I'm going to be using a little piece of ginger. Now for the seasoning, I have a tablespoon of curry, and I also have a tablespoon of Jamaican Maggi chicken seasoning, and I also have all-purpose 1 tablespoon as well, and I have a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of onion powder, and half a tablespoon of adobo. So we're gonna cut our seasons up, and start with our scallion. I like to crush my garlic, and then I'm gonna cut it up I love the taste of garlic in food, but what I don't like is when I have to taste it. So I crush it and then I cut it up very, very small. Just took a little piece of ginger, not that much, just a little. So I'm gonna put my chicken inside the bowl that I'm gonna season it up in. Just finished cleaning my chicken, it's freshly cleaned. So now I'm gonna add my seasoning. This is my Maggi chicken season. Get all of that out in there. And this is the all-purpose, my garlic and onion powder, and my half a teaspoon of adobo, my 1 teaspoon of curry powder, and my seasoning. And I'm also going to add. Now, as you can see, I have my season, all my pepper, my onion, my garlic, my scallion, my thyme, everything there. We're going to put that to the side for a second. And now I have carrot and I have a potato. For my carrots, I'm just going to cut it in 2 like this. And then like that. And then you can just continue cutting it. Continue dicing your carrot like this. As you can see, I cut my potato in 2 halves, and then again, so I have 4 pieces, and I'm just going to cut it in chunks. That's enough. Not too thick, not too thin. You don't want the potatoes to break up. Make sure your hands are very, very clean because we're gonna be digging inside of this, okay? So I'm gonna take out back my season. Maybe a lot of people might think of it and say, oh, it doesn't make sense why you season it with it and then you're gonna take it out. We season it with it because we want the chicken to have the flavor. Okay, contributes to the flavor. But the way how I do curry, I like to season it, the meat, with a little of the curry before, and then I'm gonna fry the rest. So altogether we're gonna be using 2 tablespoons of curry. We season 1 tablespoon and we're gonna fry the rest in 1/3 cup of oil. Okay, so we're just gonna take out our seasoning and then we're gonna preheat our pot. Okay, we could do it on a medium just to fry the curry because if you put it on high, the curry will burn very, very fast, and we don't want it too dark because then that's not going to taste. If you would like for your meat to be well seasoned like me, I like to season my chicken from the night before. So my all my seasoning that I'm taking out now could be really soaked in. But if you're not going to do it from overnight, you can just do it, you know, season your chicken at least, and, you know, let it stay for at least 1 to 2 hours. Curry that I'm using, and I would, you know, I would say to you, try to get something like this, or maybe Grace, or one of those brands, because not every curry is the same. So now I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of my curry in my hot oil that I have on me. 1 tablespoon of curry, just like this. You're gonna see it get a little dark. When you start to see it get a little dark, that's how you know your curry is ready, which is, you know, most likely 1 to 2 minutes the most. Like I said, on medium, not high. That's good. This is how your curry should be looking. You see? When you're making curry chicken, the way your house smells is amazing. So this is gonna be frying. When you see your chicken start to get brown, which maybe takes maybe 10 minutes, then we're gonna cover it. After 5 minutes, my curry chicken frying, I'm just stirring it up. Flip it to the other side. Make it fry for 5 more minutes, and then I'm gonna add some water to my seasoning and the rest of my seasoning left over, and we're gonna pour it in and cover it up for 20 minutes. For 10 minutes, open pot. This is how my curry chicken looks. If you could reach in my phone and grab my chicken out my pot, trust me, you would. This smells so good, and I'm sure it's the way it smells is the way it tastes. I added 1 cup of water to this because the chicken is naturally gonna give its own water. So I'm gonna leave this for 20 minutes to cook.
That's why you represent. Hey, Sunday. One day this soon get better. One day this soon get better. One day this soon get better.
Please feel free to add some pimento seed if you want. For 20 minutes, my chicken is almost done. Now I'm going to add my potatoes and my carrots and let that cook for another 10 to 15 minutes. Or until the potatoes and the carrot is cooked. After 15 minutes of finished cooking down my potatoes, this is my chicken. It's ready. This is the final step. I'm finished. I'm going to eat my chicken. I hope when you try this